How to fix 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our desktop. And then once you're now here on the search bar of our Windows, just search for CMD and then click Run as Administrator. After that, we're going to type ipconfig space slash flush DNS and then click enter. Once it is done, we're going to type nashs winsock reset and then click enter once again. After that, what we are going to do is to restart our computer and see if it is now working. However, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then just open this view network status and tasks. So click open right there, and then in this part, just click your connections, which is right here, and then click on properties. After that, in this part, just scroll down and then look for Internet Protocol version 6 and then Internet Protocol version 4. So in this part, make sure that you uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 and then check Internet Protocol version 4 like this one right here. Now, once it is done, what we're going to do is to click on properties, and then on this part, on the DNS server, just click this one right here and then type 8888. And then for the alternate DNS server, just type 8844. After that, just click OK. And then all you have to do is to click OK once again, and then click close. What we're going to do next is to go into our Google Chrome. And then in this part, we're going to go on the upper right corner of the screen, and then click the three dots, and then go to settings. Once you're now here, what we're going to do is to click on reset settings, which is located right here. And then in this part, click this, and then click reset settings. Once you do that, let's go back here on the settings. So on the search bar, just search for settings and then click open, and then go here on the network and internet, and then go here on the view advanced network settings, and then click on network reset. After that, just click reset now, and then click yes, and then after that, just restart your computer, and that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome.